Alright, I'm doing a quick video to help people. I keep getting the same question of how does the supercharger work? Okay, the simple idea is that it compresses air. Right here. This is it. This is an Aisin AMR 500, which means it displaces 500 cc's. So once it rotates one time, that's 500 cc's. This is the intake. This is where your air filter will go. This feeds it. Okay, you want clean air because if you get dirt in there, you'll have a big problem. You can't compress dirt. Then, once it compresses it, it'll go through this pipe here, which is hot. This will go to the intercooler, which helps cool down air. It's a radiator for air. This side isn't done yet, but once it cools down, it'll come out the other side and feed the carburetor. Now, between here and there, I have to get a boost reference for fuel, and I have to also do a reference for blow off. When you shut the throttle, it can overboost. So that's why you'll have that whistling noise when let off throttle. That's the blow off valve. Now, the big difference between a supercharger and a turbo is the fact that this is belt driven. This runs off the engine. So when the engine turns one time, this turns half a time. So if you want more boost, you make this smaller or you make this larger. So every time it rotates, this spins a little bit faster. With a turbo, the higher the RPM, the more exhaust gas, the faster the turbo spins. So this is crank driven compared to a turbo, which is exhaust driven. Alright, that's it. Got a lot done. Had to do some mods to clear this under full load, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with the way it's going together.